Hello, I'm Melissa Petrello, puppet maker and owner of StageWorthy Arts, a theatrical design studio that custom builds flying puppets, giant creatures, and quirky mechanical props. I created the StageWorthy Arts YouTube channel to show you guys some of the basic mechanics and techniques behind my style of puppet making. These tutorials are decorated walkthroughs of my process, and a great way to bring you into my studio and show you around. I also created a Patreon page to offer StageWorthy patrons exclusive access to digital downloads that accompany each tutorial. These booklets will include detailed step-by-step instructions, downloadable templates and patterns, materials list, and personal notes and insider tips. Be inspired, learn something new, pursue your ideas and bring them to life. These are our goals. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Patreon community. Your support will help us continue to create unique projects and new ideas. Become a StageWorthy patron, and let's make some StageWorthy art.